Hi guys, just want to make a quick video whilst I'm driving to my next learner on intensive driving courses. Now, we've all probably heard of intensive driving courses, and we've probably all been tempted by an intensive driving course. But are they the thing for you? Are they really what they actually make out they are? So let me just run through what an intensive driving course is. An intensive driving course is pretty much lots and lots of lessons within a short space of time. Now, some driving schools will offer the facility to book the theory test, then the driving lessons with the instructor, and then the practical driving test to kind of get it all kind of wrapped up in one package. Some other driving schools or independent driving instructors will just offer the driving lessons and you have to book the test yourself. That is potentially a bit tricky because, you might not have the special software to book yourself a test sooner rather than later, and you might have to wait 6 months, and therefore it kind of doesn't really become an intensive driving course. So those are the options really. They tend to be, the intensive driving courses tend to be a lot more expensive per hour than it would be if you were just generally booking weekly lessons, for example. So let me give you an example. Today is September, it's 2024, and at the moment I charge £37 an hour. Whereas when we do an intensive course, some of the courses that I've seen offered will be charging upwards of £60 or £70 an hour. Now, a lot of people don't know this. A lot of learner drivers who embark on these courses just don't know the fact that they're going to be charged nearly double what they could be charged just by going through a normal instructor. Yes, you're going to not be intense. It's not going to be an intense course and you're not going to get through within 6 weeks. It might take you 6 months, but you're also not paying double the cost on the driving lessons. So that's something to bear in mind. Sometimes, and I find this with some customers that come through, sometimes I've had customers who have come through who have tried to do the course and the company that they've been booking through has not been able to find them a driving test. They've actually not come good with the goods, so to speak, and the pupil's just been left hanging. They paid all this money and then just waiting for the company that they booked through to get them a driving test, and they just can't do it because they're in such high demand. That's kind of a little bit of an overview of an intensive driving course. How would I do an intensive driving course? Well, over the years, I've been doing the job 20 years now. Over the years, I've done quite a few, and I tell you what, they are very intense and they're quite stressful because you've got someone who usually doesn't know much, or if they do, it's all a bit fragmented, and you're trying to teach them very, very quickly in a short space of time, or fill the gaps in their knowledge, which is sometimes more difficult because, if someone comes with you with a certain understanding of something, maybe that's not correct, and you're having to kind of unpick it and maybe kind of reteach certain things. And it's very, very intense. I would probably want to do an intensive course over a period of maybe a month or so. So I wouldn't want to do it all in 1 week. Imagine getting in a car on a Monday morning, not knowing what a steering wheel is, not knowing what a gear stick is, not understanding mirror signal maneuver, not understanding how roundabouts work, none of that, but you've got your test on Friday. How stressful would that be? If you think that's going to be stressful, give us a comment, let us know, tell us what you think. But me personally, I think that will be hellishly stressful. I think that would work if you had someone who knew what they were doing and they'd had a good lot of lessons behind them, and they were only probably saying having 10 or maybe 15 hours in that week. But any more than 10 or 15 hours in 1 week, I think that's a real big push. Do they work? Do you get more success with an intensive driving course? It's very difficult to say, because at the end of the day, everyone's different. So you might get someone who takes to it like a fish to water. You might get someone who just struggles like crazy and they never get it. And they might benefit from weekly lessons. Now, the benefit of weekly lessons is that you can take your time. You can mull it over. You can kind of reflect on what you did last week, and then hopefully have a bit of time to kind of think things through. Maybe read the highway code, maybe watch some videos, maybe go on some apps and do some questions and do a bit of extra learning around the subject. I think the intensive course is good for some people, but I think the vast majority of people probably would better benefit from weekly lessons. That's just my personal opinion. So there are pros, there are cons. You get through quicker if the company can get you the test. But the downfall is you're probably paying double what you should be paying. And this has become more apparent since COVID. For some reason, the prices just shot up through the roof after COVID. People were just taking the mickey, to be honest. And I personally think it's not very nice that people are being charged a lot more than they need to be being charged. If you've got any comments or questions on intensive driving courses, why don't you just drop a comment in the box below. Let's have a discussion on whether you think intensive driving courses are good. I'm kind of sitting on the fence. I'm not too sure whether they are or not. Like I said, it depends on the person, I think, a lot of the time. If you've got the right customer, if you're doing the right amount of hours, if you're doing it over the right period of time, then I think great. Otherwise, I think it's just a bit of a push. Those are my 2 pennies worth, as they say. Hopefully not too boring. And what we'll do is we'll make another video about something else later on, and we'll pop that up on YouTube for you to have a little look at. I wish you all the best with your driving lessons. And if you're taking your test anytime soon, do let us know how it goes, and I hope you pass. I'll see you on the next video.